CVCI words. In family, phrases, and story. Hi kids! Today, we are going to discuss the CVCI words in family, phrases, and story. Now let's start. In family. In, pin, a device used for fastening objects or materials together. In, bin, a can for trash or garbage, or a box, frame, or enclosed place used for storage. Bin. In, fin, an external membranous process of an aquatic animal such as a fish, used in propelling or guiding the body. Fin. In, win, to gain in or as if in battle or contest. Win. In, kin, one's family and relations. Kin. In, tin, a chemical element that is a silver-colored metal, often combined with other metals or used to cover and protect other metals. Tin. Let's read it again. In family. Pin, bin, fin, win, kin, tin. Now let's read some phrases. A tin can. A tin can. A trash bin. A trash bin. My kin. My kin. Sharp pin. Sharp pin. Again, phrases. Number 1, a tin can. 2, a trash bin. 3, my kin. 4, sharp pin. Now it's time to read the story. My kit. I have a kit. It is blue. It is full of pens. It is a kit I bring to school every day. Again, my kit. I have a kit. It is blue. It is full of pens. It is a kit I bring to school every day. Yay! Now read the story in your book and do the challenges, kids. Good luck! Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and click the notification bell. Bye!